Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I am going to be teaching you guys how to make a router workbench out of any old router that you have laying around. So let's get right into it. I have a lot of extra wood laying around, so for this project I'm going to be using this half-inch piece of plywood. This piece of plywood is just about 10 inches long. And I'm going to be cutting it in half and making it into a square to put the router on. I'll be right to that segment. I went ahead and marked out two 20-inch segments, this one and this one, to cut out, and I'm going to cut it out on my table saw real quick. Now that I got these two pieces cut out, I'm going to use this piece of pallet wood to put them together. Now that I got these two pieces cut out, let's screw them onto the boards to hold them together. Screwing the boards together. And now we are going to drill the hole for the router. I drilled the router hole, and now we're going to mount it like that. So I got the router all mounted up with bolts. My router has a flat bottom, so it stands on its own. But as you can see, it's mounted from the inside, and it still can fully adjust itself. It also stands up top. If you guys want, you can add legs to your router, but I don't seem to need any. Also, if I need to, I can just set it between two sawhorses. So, this is the router build, and in 1 second, you'll see some footage of it working. Okay, here's some footage of me using it. I decided to put a little guard wall up just as a reference. I just put a little piece of wood out, drilled it out, some clamps, and now it works really great. I just tested it out here, and it did a very great 45-degree edge. So I'm going to try it out right on this spot, on this extra piece of wood I have. You gotta grab the handle from the bottom, and you gotta... Just like that, you have a perfect edge on your board. This is why you should build this. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. See ya.